Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this 3.5mm audio jack. So it's AUX cable. If you didn't know about the channel, this is Laashaktech, and here we unbox, we review, and we talk about tech. We upload a video every Sunday, so if you're not subscribed, click the red button below. Alright, let's get into the video. We have we're gonna unbox this aux cable. It's 6 feet, and it's from Tech1. It costs a few bucks in local stores, Walmart or any other tech store. So before going into the unboxing part, let me go ahead and give you an overview of the box. Well, pretty much just casing. So it says 3.5mm audio jack. That's there, and both the ends are audio. So, and you also have the length, which is 6 feet 182 centimeters. You says connect your device to any stereo or speaker with an aux port. So that's there. It's just translated into other languages. And in the back of the case we also have the same description. It says connect your device with any stereo speaker or with an aux port, stereo or speaker. Alright, we have length and some other packet description. So now you can see the cable itself here on the side. So you can use it for many purposes. Personally, you can play songs on the old cars. Alright, now let's go ahead and open the package and get the cable outside. There's nothing else in the box. Well, this is just it just includes the cable. As you can see, it's black and it's pretty long. It's a 6 feet cable, and it costs barely something. It costed me around $5 to $6, so it's pretty cheap. And yeah, I had this for organizing the cables. I can just throw it away. So what was in the box? Basically just a cable, nothing big. They are pretty solid, and they look nice. I mean, I don't know what else I can say. So that's gotta be it for this video, and catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. And just before leaving, I wanted to say that this video is not a sponsored video, and the products that was mentioned in the video were bought by me. And yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace.